Okay, welcome to yet another episode of some more adventures. So we just got here in Helen, and we're just gonna be trout fishing this weekend. And this guy, like, it's obviously, look, it's dark outside, and this guy comes up and he's like, "Yo, if you guys have any food on you, just keep it in your car because I just had 2 bears chasing me, and I had to fire a shot." That's the first catch of the trip. It's 7:32.
Just a little stocked rainbow trout, but you can see the rainbow. Ooh! Oh no!
Calm down, mate.
I'll have to wash them off really quick.
But the phone just looks cool.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Alright. He's still chilling.
Beautiful.
Yeah, they are beautiful. They're also really sensitive though, so
You kind of have to resuscitate them because,
just getting hooked will kill them sometimes.
yeah. There he goes, over there.
They're like
Beautiful.
super invisible.
We're busting out the Polaroid for a dope picture right there. It's gonna be a dope one. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
It's a big one. It was like 3 times the size of the one from this morning.
Alright, we just got eyes on a big one.
He's not. He just swam straight in there.
Oh no! He's right there. He's right there. I just saw him. Oh shoot!
Oh, this is not the.
This isn't this is a different one. Okay, this wasn't the big one.
I'm just gonna bring him up here because I don't.
Oh, I see him, bro.
Dude, he's big.
You see him?
He's a big boy.
I know the camera cannot see it, but I see him. Oh my gosh!
It's a big one, dude.
All right, we just got this small one.
We're going for the big boy, dude. I gotta get down there without that big one seeing me.
Yeah. We're going for the big goodness, bro.
Alright, let's see if I can get a camera shot of him. I gotta blind him if I don't want him to shake. Hopefully it doesn't kill him though. He's good.
Yeah, we'll swap back out. Alright, let's get that big one.
2 came straight to it. I think those big ones, we might have to get them on the way back.
Yeah.
Because I think they're too spooked after we caught that one and they saw him. Alright, now the day's up there. He wants me to take a photo with 2 of them. So that's what we're gonna do.
Time for the trudge.
I'm not familiar.
Up there.
It looks so different.
Really? Yo, that's sick. There's a split, dude.
Oh my gosh, this is not even real.
Yo. Alright, so they're all up there. Now we're going up. One-handed. Run. Loose.
I'll just have to turn it off and carry it up. Throw it? Dude, I'm not. It's too much. Let me get closer first. This is awkward. Sorry, dude, I'm afraid I was gonna throw it too short and then it hit the ground again. So I had to throw it fast.
Good. Man, this is quite steep. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Oh yeah. Down. Now that we're at the top. Yee.
Yeah, this is ready for. Pretty spooky.
Yeah.
Oh god. So high, dude.
Alright, you're about to toss it to me.
What? Oh my gosh, Dade, what? It's good.
Glass on it.
I don't care.
Just a cool shot. Alright, get right below me though. So you're ready to catch it if I don't.
I'm ready to catch it if you don't. I can't even fathom how I'm gonna.
It's a better view. Okay. Yo! I'm on a tree!
I'll stop it.
Okay. Going back down.
And keep Hazen climbing the tree. We're already all the way up here.
No. We've met a new friend. He wants to fish. You can't have the fish, right?
You want that? I thought that it was tiny, but it's not. I'm sorry, Mike.
I'd say it tastes pretty good.
You can literally see where the guts were. Oh yeah, the guts were right here when I hooked them. And Dade ripped his guts out.
I want the skin.
No, you don't. The skin does not taste good.
Yes, it does.
What you want is that tail meat.
Mmm.
What, you want his tail too?
Don't mind if I do. The tail. Yeah, actually, like these just get kind of like chippy, like a potato chip.
Don't eat the whole thing. Oh gosh.
I thought it was okay too.
Yo, you can eat whatever. You can eat the whole entirety of the fish if you want. I mean, I just wouldn't eat the bone. There's bone in that tail.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm just a little trout.
No, that's what's left of him.
I'm just a little trout. He's swimming innocently. Don't catch me.
Don't eat me.
Right off the bone.
Right off the bone, mate. Alright, let's see if I can handle this one.
Honestly, I think I'm gonna go for the babies now. They're more succulent. Oh yeah, dude, look at the trout. It looks like a shrimp, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I got a mustache.
Pretty crazy design to it.
Mm-hmm. No, I've seen them.
In the Fuego.
Do we see any curvature?
We're in mountains, dude.
Look at the... Dude, you can see the shape of them so perfectly, how they've risen up.
Yep.
And you can see the range, like the beginning of the range. Freaky ass point over there.
Found me a shirt.
You just shamed yourself for always finding random shit. Should we do this outro, bro?
Yeah, I guess so. Thanks guys for sticking around. I'd really appreciate it if you left a like or subscribed. But if you stuck around for the whole video, I seriously appreciate it tremendously. And hopefully we'll be seeing you soon in the near future. Peace.